This is my bed, so cozy and wide. I jump on top and take a ride. Pillows soft and blanket me. This is where I rest my feet. This is my chair, where I sit tall. I eat my snacks or bounce a ball. Sometimes I spin, sometimes I rock, or sit and listen to the clock. This is my lamp, it shines so bright, helping me read every night. Click it on, then click it off. It's not too dim, not too rough. This is my rug, it's soft and round. I lie on it or roll around. It tickles toes and makes me grin. A perfect spot to sit and spin. This is my shelf, where books all stay. I choose a tale